Okay, it is day, I can't even remember what day, but it's probably going to be on the left hand lower corner date. So for breakfast, it's going to be cereal. As mentioned, I can't resist, okay? I'm already breaking all my rules already. I'm going to eat lo mai kai ya, liu lian na. I think that should be what, yes, and fruits, okay? Some fruits here. So this is what breakfast is gonna be. I don't think I can maintain a strict diet for sure, and I'm not gonna try. Breakfast is served. Okay, it's lunchtime, and where are we going? Japanese restaurant at Alexandra Central Mall. Let's go. Wow! Yeah! Ooh! Ooh! Sure! Oh my goodness, the chawamushi is incredible. Whoa! Char-siu ramen 又甜又不辣。哎呦，饱到！ You can eat a lot, no problem. No problem. No problem. Okay, it's Tuesday today, and tomorrow, right, will be Jack's English spelling, and at night will be the following day will be his things here. So tomorrow is going for his English spelling, and then when he comes home, right, he promises to do his things here as fast as he can, finish all his schoolwork as fast as he can. Tuition homework, you want him to do tomorrow? So things here and school homework. Then the Chinese homework when? Okay, so we give him chance, and then with that he can go and be responsible, right? Behave well with auntie, right? Yes or no? And tomorrow you're not going to give us a headache when we come back, huh?
Yes.
But you're not behaving, huh? You're not behaving.
Tomorrow we're going to be back, right?
Yes, huh? You say on, huh? Because we're going to work late tomorrow night, huh? Okay, so Jack promise. And the night of back exercises are complete. Oh my god, so man, the light's so bright now. 20 laps of swimming, 3 sets of 8 pull-ups, so 8 pull-ups at the public pull-up bar in the gym. In the condominium. Then back pull-downs. Okay, how many sets did I do? 4 sets, I think. Then I did this one over here. So I think it's called Cannon or something. Pull also for the back. And then I ended off with dumbbell pulls. Everything for the back is always involving a pulling motion. Anyway, like I mentioned, right, I'm no pro. These are just things that I anyhow do lah. Huh? I'm just like that, anyhow do. Time for some protein shake. I'm not gonna film the protein shake, okay guys? Good night. It is, what time is it now? Okay, so I just did 34 minutes of swimming, 20 laps. This is my fastest ever. Followed by roughly about 30 minutes of back workout. I think it's about 40 minutes of back workout all in all. Okay, good night guys. Wait a minute, I think I forgot to film my dinner. So dinner is just vegetables, no rice, vegetables, meat, yeah, vegetables, chicken, and ota. Quite a filling breakfast, dinner, but no rice. And I did not take the slimming drink. So I only took the slimming drink for the lunch Japanese restaurant. Yeah, okay, really. Good night guys, bye.